You're going to want to check this out. How to become a billionaire. If you're asking whether you can become a billionaire from scratch, let me answer that for you. Yes, you can. There are more than 2,600 multimillionaires in the world, and that number keeps growing rapidly. They are not people who were born rich, and they are not inheritors of great fortune. These are people who have established profitable companies that help them become who they are at present. What motivated them to start these companies were the internet, opportunities in the international markets, and cash inflow in middle-class countries and developing nations. Before moving on, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn notifications on to learn more about wealth and get updates on our content. Going back, I know you're all excited to become very rich, but before anything else, let me tell you a harsh truth. Only 0.00003% or 0.003% of the world's total population can achieve billionaire status, and several factors majorly influence this number. Education, access to capital, infrastructure, IQ, emotional quotient, or EQ. Eagerness, and even good luck affect your very chances of becoming rich. After watching this video, you will discover the perfect time for you to take advantage of your situation so you can become the richest you can be. It doesn't matter if you fail, just stick to these steps and you'll be a multi-billionaire. Let's get right into it and begin our countdown from number 8. Start as early as possible. Some people were born natural entrepreneurs. Here are some people who possess the entrepreneurial gene. Mark Cuban, who sold garbage bags at 12 years old. Warren Buffett, who invested in a stock for the first time at the age of 11. Richard Branson, who built his first business ever at the age of 16. And Elon Musk, who sold his first software piece at the age of 11. And the list goes on. If you were not born to rich parents who can lend you $1 million, then you have no choice but to earn your first million on your own. The less time you waste, the bigger your advantage. By starting early, you will discover the most essential lesson in the business world, and that is how to convince people to give you money. Let's be realistic. Starting a business isn't a piece of cake. It will take several years before you build a business that can succeed. Even with all your efforts, the business will take about 7 years to grow. So, if you start at 17, your finances would be stable by the time you're 26. If you're in your teens, start now. If you're past your teenage years, double your hard work to make up for all the chances you've wasted. Number 7. Continuous learning. Spend time analyzing other people's businesses and successes. Utilize books, case studies, documentaries, and interviews. Look at their mindset and behavior and mirror what they do. With all these infinite resources, information of high quality comes at a low price, if not for free. Invest in books that will help you develop your abilities. Building up skills will help you grow quickly. During this time in your life, you should master the basics. Self-discipline, self-motivation, time management, sales, how to speak and understand money, how to market, how to build things, and how to talk to people and manage them. When you invest in yourself, you will get the best results. Number 6. If you fail, don't be discouraged. Get back up quickly. Failure is something you cannot avoid. It may be because you just began your journey and you are still lacking the knowledge and skills. If you do not know how the markets work or how your consumers think, you are bound to fail. Failures can also be because of the absence of role models who can teach you. If you are starting from scratch, the only way you can be a billionaire is by digesting all the necessary information and putting it into practice. Do not give up when you encounter disappointment. Do not fear failure. Learn, adjust, and conquer. Look at your struggles as an evaluation of your capabilities. Failure does not mark the end of your journey. It is but a part of it. Number 5. Choose working 80 to 100 hours a week over your personal and social life. If you want to grow your business, you have to prioritize it over anything else. You can't do two things at once. Building a business will use up a great deal of energy that you won't be able to make room for other things, the same way a rocket consumes nearly all of its fuel going against gravity. It will bring food to your table and clothes to keep you warm, but it would not give you the lifestyle you desire. Chasing successes can take a toll on relationships and health, but even this does not mean you will automatically make it. This is why it is understandable why many people never make a move. They are not willing to sacrifice. Well, you can still find happiness in being like everyone else. It's your choice. Number 4. Build up your first business and work hard to make it grow and succeed. Once you spend 10 years of your life studying and learning from other people's victories and understanding changes in the market, you can identify businesses that you can explore. You can start on your own and then grow your business by hiring employees. If you experiment and use different methods and products, you can bring money in. Some strategies will succeed and some will fail, but you will learn all the same. Before you know it, time will pass by and you'll be doing good. Sometimes you will be tempted to spend wastefully, but discipline yourself. Keep investing in the business so it grows non-stop. Understand how much it can expand and do what needs to be done to achieve this. You have now adapted the mindset of a mature business person. Before we continue, if you want to make some quick cash, then you can click on the link in the description of this video. You can make some money fast with no experience required. Moving on to number 3. Use your success to meet and connect with other powerful people. In your journey towards success and wealth, you will come across people who think like you and are struggling the way you are. They are the ones who can understand you, and you can build a network with them. They can be potential business partners or mentors. They can hold the key to doors you have never opened. This is a powerful connection. They will serve as your compass, your resources, and your lessons. They will share with you the mistakes they made and how they were able to grow from them. When smart minds assemble and collectively solve problems, a mastermind is born. In the world of business, being a mastermind can benefit you financially. The relationships you develop will control how fast you jump through wealth levels. Number 2. Sell your first successful business and become a billionaire. After pouring your blood, sweat, and tears into a business that has grown, it's time to let it go. It is seldom that people become billionaires from their initial businesses, even in the area of technology. Keep in mind that you have to increase people's trust in you, so they would agree to give you the money you need to address bigger issues. Selling your first business can be likened to creating a portfolio of your past performances. Prove that you can come up with a bright idea and carry it out until the end without mistakes. Perfection can bring you closer to a 7-figure paycheck. Times have changed, and now you cannot use geography as an excuse for being stagnant. What you need are an internet connection and a laptop or mobile device. And since you're enjoying this video, I'm pretty sure you have those. $1 million is not a lot of money. Just think of it as a milestone that will mark your entry into the real money territory. Enter the stage as quickly as fast as you can, but make sure to do it lawfully. Once you pass this stage, you can start working towards that 1 billion. Number 1. Build a fresh new business, one that is original and life-changing. As you progress, you will realize things have become much different. There are higher stakes and bigger competitors who have all the money, better infrastructure, and other resources. And there you are, a dog waiting for scraps to fall from their table. But because you have your network and a clean track record, you have gained access to other people's money. You can directly challenge them because they can easily defeat you. You can't do it the easy way because your reach isn't as wide as theirs. The best way to win is to take advantage of your creativity and the latest technology. According to statistics, huge businesses do not quickly adapt to technological changes and stick to the old ways that have led to their success. Consider this your only chance. Come up with solutions that will utilize modern technology. Once these solutions work, the race finally begins. Do you have the drive, the aggression, and the dedication to turn into a billionaire? Rest assured that when you do these first 8 steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming the richest you can be. If you liked this video and learned a lot, make sure to press the thumbs up button. You can also let us know your thoughts and tips by posting them in the comment section below. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for part 2.